Hi, today in front of me Sony Xperia 5 Mark IV and I'll show you how to enable and disable Google Fit on this device. So just if you want to turn off the Google Discover, we should just hold for a while the our device home screen, tap to home settings, and you'll see here the first section was show Google App Switcher. Just click to turn it off. Now let's go back and we can see that this option successfully turned off. But if you want to turn it on by this way, hold your home screen, tap to home settings and use the spare switcher to show Google App. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.